This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, June 1st, 2015. This briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week across the inland Northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website during the week for updated information. For the overview, Monday afternoon and Monday night, expect thunderstorms, some possibly severe with large hail, heavy rain, potentially some urban and flash flooding. Basically, an active weather pattern lasting into the overnight hours. For Tuesday and Wednesday, lingering showers and thunderstorms and cool. Thursday into next Monday, drying and becoming much warmer. The main threat starting this week will be thunderstorms and associated heavy rain in cores of these slow-moving storms. There will also be a threat of up to 1-inch hail in central and southern Idaho Panhandle, as well as southeast Washington, along with heavy downpours of rain. Small stream flooding, urban and flash flooding will be a concern Monday, and to a lesser degree Tuesday, when thunderstorms will be relegated mainly to the mountain areas. For the current satellite overview, satellite shows a low-pressure center circulating over northwest Oregon this afternoon. This will generate numerous showers and thunderstorms over the region into Monday evening and night. This low pressure will slowly drift through and out of the area Tuesday. High pressure will approach the area later in the week, bringing warmer temperatures. Into Monday night, the low pressure system will still be close enough to generate scattered showers and thunderstorms over much of the inland Northwest. Most widespread burn scars are in the Cascades slopes and will be vulnerable to heavy showers in thunderstorms. The flash flood watch in green in the upper right shows much of the region potentially affected. This does not mean everyone will experience flooding, but the potential is there. Don't attempt to cross flooded roads or roads that have experienced mud and debris crossing. Please report flooding immediately to local law enforcement so actions can be taken to keep people safe. Strong thunderstorms with up to 1 inch in diameter hail is possible in southeast Washington and the central Idaho Panhandle. Heavy rain is also possible with any of these storms across the region. At 3 p.m. Monday, strong storms are moving into southeast Washington from Oregon. Storms were also developing near Omak, remaining nearly stationary. By 7 p.m., storms are expected to have blossomed further north into the Idaho Panhandle, as well as developed in the Cascades. Please note storms still lingering south of Lewiston, Idaho by 7 p.m. Looking at storm evolution for Monday at 9 p.m., the forecast calls for enhanced storm activity across the northern tier of eastern Washington as well as the Idaho Panhandle. This storm event will not quit when the sun sets. Looking at Tuesday through Wednesday, for Tuesday expect lingering showers and thunderstorms near the Canadian border and mountains of the Idaho Panhandle. While these will likely not be severe, they can still produce heavy downpours as the atmosphere will still be quite moist. Wednesday, mainly mountain showers can be expected with an isolated thunderstorms still not out of the question. The mediograms for Wenatchee and Spokane, basically temperature plots for the upcoming weekend, depict significant warming toward the weekend with temperatures in the mid-80s to lower 90s. For Lewiston and Moses Lake, the upcoming weekend also depicts a significant warming trend. For the 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center, valid June 8th through June 14th. The odds solidly favor above normal temperatures for the inland Northwest and show near equal chances for average or below normal precipitation during this period. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service. Check our webpage at weather.gov/Spokane or get up-to-date information on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube using the name NWS Spokane.